There are no secrets between us and our skin. Our skin feels it all. The crush that makes us blush every time they look our way. The song that never fails to send goosebumps up our arms. The beauty mark that gave you pause. The C-section scar that gave you a whole new life to protect. And the laughter and memories that have yet to leave their mark. It's all there on our skin, ready to speak its truth like pages in a book. Love your story with professional sun and skincare trusted by dermatologists. Designed to feel weightless as it protects, renews, and heals your skin. Because we're in it for life. EltaMD Skincare.